The skulls separate.
We need more crates at Station 3. Get the forklift over here now. Our investigation begins here, at this secluded yard, where the true scale of the illegal wildlife market is laid bare in the early morning light.
How critical is the tagging process to your operation?
It's everything. Without these barcodes, we can't track the origin or destination of the materials.
We're looking at nearly 5,000 of these bundles collected this week alone. The logistical challenge of sorting them into these zones is immense.
Dispatch, this is Officer Javed. The subjects are complying with the labeling protocol. I'm maintaining surveillance. Over.
Are these ready for shipment yet?
Almost. They are just finalizing the measurements.
This one needs a bit more polishing before it meets the standard.
We categorize these based on three main criteria: horn length, density, and the overall quality of the bone itself.
Moving, watch the alignment. All right, bring the forks in now.
Look there. That stack wasn't on the schedule, and the seal is broken.
Skeletal units are secure. We move now to the next stage, the highway run. Zoom in right there. See that discrepancy?
The seal number is off by 1 digit. Alert status.
All barcodes scanned, officer.
The shipment details match the manifest exactly.
It confirms all units present. Seal number checked and verified. Ready for departure.
There we go. All signed off. Make sure they send the digital copies too. We grade based on size and color uniformity. Red is premium grade, blue is standard, and yellow is for scrap.
Okay, team, remember the priority is separating the postcranial elements first. Use the fine tools for the hand bones. Careful with the smaller fragments. They go into the fine mesh tray first, then we start the ultrasonic bath.
Once the specimens are unpacked and arranged, the high-speed sorting mechanism analyzes each piece, ensuring precision and efficiency.
Unauthorized access to the belt line is strictly prohibited. Officer Javed's intervention highlights the constant vigilance.
We initiate the pre-wash by spraying the instruments completely. Then we start the 5-minute timer right here.
They are moving into the drying units now.
The heat lamps are definitely effective. Look at the steam.
The motorized brushes work meticulously across the surface, preparing the horns for the final high-pressure rinse cycle you see now.
We have to keep the batches entirely separate.
These drums handle medical waste while these are strictly for hospitality. I see.
Specimen 4B confirmed. Tally matches the manifest.
This is where the raw materials are prepared. Every piece here, Mira officer, is accounted for and ready for the next phase of production.
We maintain a precise airflow across these racks. The timing is crucial to ensure thorough drying.
As per protocol, monitor the drying temperatures closely. Any deviation must be logged immediately on the batch tags.
Safety is paramount here. Always ensure the guards are in place and the eye protection is worn before engaging the saw.
Is this fine enough for the composite?
Yes, it's perfect. We'll empty the bin and start again.
As you can see, the technician applies the blank evenly to the wheel. This meticulous process is how
We start with the heaviest compound, swirling it gently to activate the abrasives. Then, moving to the secondary polish,
We look for a flawless, mirror-like shine. This level of polish is critical for quality control, as you can see by the reflection of the overhead lights.
Can inlay the metal directly into the polished bone like this. Yeah?
That's beautiful. It really highlights the craftsmanship.
These dimensions here highlight the critical tolerances for the inlays. We need to ensure the manufacturing process meets these exact specifications. The priority is separating the postcranial elements first. Use the fine tools for the hand bones.
each collection is labeled. This section here is the Chronos series, entirely separate from the Oracle prototypes.
Here we test the designs extensively using these resin models. This ensures absolute precision before the final casting.
Are you seeing this fluctuation at 22 degrees?
Yes, logged it. It stabilized quickly.
The key here is the precise ratio. We measure the composite material first, then the resin binder, ensuring the weights are exact for the perfect cast.
See how I approach the curve here. You want to minimize material loss while ensuring a smooth edge.
We're using a fine grit diamond tool here to refine the edge. It's meticulous work, but as you can see, the result is a perfectly smooth finish.
We have to eliminate every imperfection at this stage.
So how do you ensure consistency across thousands of units?
It comes down to the training.
This final surface coating is crucial. It's applied in a sealed environment to ensure the shine is perfectly protected.
Forward. Traceability is key to luxury goods. Here we laser etch a unique serial number, SN87B.
By minimizing packaging, these skeleton shipments are immediately scanned upon arrival and routed directly to the trucks.
This one cleared. The numbers are precise.
All right, move to the next pallet, but keep an eye out for any discrepancies on the seals.
These aren't just diamonds, Mira. They're the ones stolen 5 years ago.
We finally have enough evidence, officer.
Book them all.
The journey from rough stone to this exquisite sapphire is truly remarkable. It's a transformation that requires